Fáilte Arash. In this video we're going to look at 5 Irish verbs. I'm going to explain to you what they mean and give you some sample sentences that you could use these verbs in. Let's start off with the Irish verb here, which is fill. Fill is to return. Fill. And a return ticket, for example, would be ticéad fillte. Ticéad fillte, a return ticket. Dil she awalya. She returned home. Dil she awalya. Fillig sheed éireann an bhliain seo chuain. They will return to Ireland next year. Fillig sheed éireann an bhliain seo chuain. Our next verb is fáilsigh. Fáilsigh is the Irish verb to publish. Fáilsigh. And book publishers is fáilteoirí leabhar. Fáilteoirí leabhar. Book publishers. D'ailsigh sé gana anam a chur leis. He published it anonymously. D'ailsigh sé gana anam a chur leis. Our next verb is the Irish verb nyartig, which is to strengthen. Nyartig. Now you could also use the verb loidrig as well, which also means to strengthen. Loidrig. But we're focusing on nyartig here. Nyartig sé a chreideamh. It strengthened his belief, or it strengthened his faith. Nyartig sé a chreideamh. Tá an ghaoi ag neartú. The wind is strengthening. Tá an ghaoi ag neartú. Next we have the verb unsig, which is to attack. Unsig, to attack. And a terrorist attack would be Unsig scefla chomhthreachta. Unsig scefla chomhthreachta, a terrorist attack. D'Unsig an madra í. The dog attacked her. D'Unsig an madra í. The dog attacked her. Our next verb then is the Irish verb mill, which is to destroy, or to ruin, or to spoil. Mill. Mar hampla. Vil an aimsir an lá uirinn. The weather ruined our day. Vil an aimsir an lá uirinn. Another word for to ruin or destroy would be the Irish verb scris. Scris. Scrissig to the bhróga. You will ruin your shoes. Scrissig to the bhróga. You will ruin your shoes. So that's ruin or destroy or spoil. You could use either scris there or mill. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments section some of your most favourite and most useful verbs that you use in the Irish language. I will see you very soon when I'll be making another Irish language video. Slán go fóill.